Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 of my favorite summer drinks that are going to help you cleanse and detoxify your body. I know summer is right around the corner and we all want that beautiful glowing skin. We want beautiful long shiny hair and we want that bikini body. But I'm telling you, you gotta do this from the inside out. Putting beautiful fruits and vegetables into your body that are going to help alkalize your cells and truly nourish you from the inside out is how you get all of those things that we all want. One thing that I have done with my diet recently is really simplified it to just adding so many more fruits and vegetables in. And what that has done for me is it's really just brought me back to balance, cleanse my palate, and help me enjoy simpler foods. And I feel like it really is making my skin, my hair, and my body look a lot better. So one of the easiest ways for me to do that is to just pack as much nutrition into a drink as possible. And I usually have that first thing in the morning just because I want to have something light, something that's going to rehydrate my body from the night of sleep that I just had, and to really give me the energy to go out and do my workouts and feel my best. As always, all of the recipes will be down in the description box for you guys, and enjoy the video. For our juice, we're gonna need a bunch of greens. I just use Swiss chard and collard greens from my garden, but you can use whatever kind of greens you like. Then we're gonna need 2 apples, and we're just gonna chop those into small enough pieces so that they'll fit into our juicer. We're also gonna need 2 lemons, and we just wanna take the outer peel off the lemons and then again cut them into pieces so that they'll fit in our juicer. We're also gonna need half a bunch of parsley, 4 celery stalks, and then a 2-inch to 3-inch thumb of ginger. So I always start out juicing greens first, and then I alternate greens, celery, apples, and the more juicier fruits to push everything through the juicer. That's just what works best for me and for the juicer that I have, but you can use whatever technique you like. This juice is best if you drink it right away, but you can also put a lid on it and keep it in the fridge for a few days if you'd like. For our lemonade, we're going to need 2 cups of coconut water, the juice from 2 lemons, 5 to 7 pitted dates, depending on how sweet you want this lemonade to turn out. We're gonna need a big chunk of ginger, 1 piece of turmeric root, and then all we're going to do is put all of our ingredients into our blender. So if you guys don't have a juicer, you can always make juice using this method as well. Just put all of your ingredients into your blender, and then what I do is I just use a fine mesh strainer like this. And you'll want to do this over the sink because it makes a huge mess, but I just had to do it on my countertop for the purpose of this video. But you're just going to want to put all of the juice into the strainer and then push it through with a spoon. And just slowly do this until all the juice comes out and you'll be left with the pulp. But you could always make this lemonade in your juicer as well. For our kombucha smoothie, I just use what I have on hand. So I used mango, I used a bunch of frozen berries. I put collard greens in this, but if you want it to not be super like brown, then don't. Then you're just gonna need some cucumber, some kombucha, maca powder, and moringa powder. Put all of these ingredients into your blender, but again, just use whatever you like. It's really just the point of putting kombucha into the smoothie so that you have the probiotics and all the good digestive enzymes, plus it gives it kind of like a little fizzy kick. So those are my 3 favorite drinks right now to detox and cleanse, getting ready for summer. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Tag me on Instagram if you try any of these and let me know what you think. I will see you on the next video. Have a beautiful day. Mwah.